What if I told you? You don't need followers to start making money online. Just hit 1,000 views and Lemon Slice AI pays you. I'll walk you step by step, from signing up to creating your first AI-powered content to submitting it for rewards. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll share some pro tips to boost your views faster and maximize your earnings. Step 1. Open Lemon Slice and sign up. Go to lemonslice.com. Click Sign In and register using Google, Discord, or your email. The sign-in process is very simple, and the dashboard looks the same for everyone. Step 2. Explore the studio. After logging in, open the studio. Here you'll see the main options. Choose an image or video for the avatar, select or upload audio, adjust settings like model version, resolution, and expressiveness. Then click Generate. Step 3. Free Plan Basics. The free plan gives you 25 credits every 30 days. With these, you can test core features such as uploading your own audio, using custom voices, applying the voice changer, and downloading short clips without watermark. This is perfect for beginners who want to experiment. Step 4. Prepare your assets. Decide what you want to use, an image or video, and audio. For audio, you can either write text for text-to-speech or upload your own recording. For example, you can upload a short music clip or song you created. The platform will automatically sync the avatar's lips to your audio. Step 5. Generate with your own audio upload your chosen image. Then select audio and upload your file. If you prefer text-to-speech, paste your script and select a custom voice. Next, choose the model version. Version 2.5 is fast and good for music clips, while 2.7 is more expressive. Adjust the resolution to standard or 1080p. Set expressiveness to normal or most expressive, then choose how many videos you want. Finally, click Generate. Step 6. Preview and credits. Note: the video will take a few seconds to render. You'll see how many credits it costs before you generate. Once it's ready, preview the video to check lip sync and quality. Step 7. Download and minor edits. If you're happy with the preview, click Download to save the MP4. On the free plan, you can download shorter clips without watermark. If you need to edit longer content, combine multiple short clips in your own editor. Step 8. Submit to the Creator Fund. Lemon Slice has a creator fund where you can submit your videos for rewards. After posting your generated video on your preferred social platform, fill out the submission form on the Creator Fund page. This is where you'll enter your video link and details. Step 9. Key rules and tips for the Creator Fund. To qualify, your video must clearly use Lemon Slice and must not include other lip sync tools. Follow the length and language requirements listed on the fund page. Some videos may need to include the Lemon Slice snippet or watermark. The page provides the exact instructions. To increase your chances, use high-energy content, trending topics, or short music clips. Final tips. Use your own recordings, especially songs or creative voice clips, to make unique content. Split long songs into short, engaging clips. Add behind-the-scenes screen recordings of your creation process for more viewer engagement. And finally, don't forget to use your free credits wisely and submit your best content to the Creator Fund. That's how you can start creating and earning with Lemon Slice AI. If this tutorial helped you, keep exploring the platform, experiment with your own audio, and submit your creations to start earning from views.
Lemon Slice. Lemon slice.